Our Teaching Idioms in Context deck includes 24 different idiomatic expressions that children may hear or read in the media, at school, and in the home environment. There is a story for each idiom that demonstrates a real-life example of the idiom, providing space to discuss the literal and figurative meanings, and helps the therapist check for understanding with questions and prompts on the backs of the cards. There are a few different types of cards in this deck, so let's take a peek inside. First, we have the large cards with the story about the idiom, a space to put on the literal and figurative meanings of the idioms, and then on the back, there are multiple ways to check for understanding. The long skinny cards include steps for therapy and a self-rating familiarity scale. There are 3 cards to help the child understand the feeling associated with the idiom, and then a literal and figurative illustration card for all 24 idiomatic expressions. Let's take an even closer look at each type of card in this deck. First, we're going to take a look at the literal definition illustration card for the idiom time flies. The front of all of our cards includes artwork that has been carefully thought through and designed by our very talented artists. The cards themselves are a durable, thick matte texture, which is also great for children with visual impairments because there will be no glare as compared to shiny cards. Here's the back of that same card. The back of the idiom illustration cards are numbered to keep you organized, have a child-friendly definition of the image, and of course, the name of the idiom is at the top. Here's the story card that matches the Time Flies figurative illustration card that was just shown. You can see it has a space for you to put the literal illustration card and the figurative illustration card. The back of each card has tasks to help solidify the idiom's meaning and check for understanding. These can also be used to monitor skill retention. We also provide you with a blank card for you to create your own using a dry erase marker. This visual helps to keep you on track so you know how to use this deck. First, you want to read the story and have the students identify the idiom and rate their familiarity with it. Next, you can have the child draw the literal meaning of the idiom, then identify the clues in the story to explore the figurative meaning of the idiom. After that, you will organize those details, have the child draw a picture of the figurative meaning of the idiom, and really put all the clues together. Last, they will state the figurative meaning of the idiom. For more information about this deck and other products, visit www.bjoremspeech.com.